Eloise Chapman, and you're watching The Sentiment. I'm here with Warren Ahrens, a seasoned investment advisor, and we're going to be chatting a little bit about the junior market and what investment advisors are looking for within the space. I wanted to ask you, what are your thoughts on the junior market currently?
Wow, yeah, things have been changing for a few years now. We've seen so much change and things are happening so quickly. It's a great space. You know, with change, there's fantastic opportunities with stronger companies that are continuing to do their day-to-day business. They're exploring their development and rolling out their 2014 business plans, are in a great position to grow moving forward, especially at the prices you can get some of these companies. And there are other areas of opportunity as well. I mean, we're seeing healthcare and investments in IT as well as services sector in Canada. So it's a great area to look, junior companies, for investment opportunities and growth moving forward.
Well, and I think that's an interesting, concept, because it has been, especially within the mining industry, been a bit of a difficult run for them. So we're wondering, what might be your projection of these sorts of companies for the next 12 months? Is it something that's going to improve? I know there's been a lot of dialogue within the industry as to where mining might be within a year.
Yeah, absolutely. I, for one, am optimistic. I think if we focus and try and identify companies in the mining area that are best ready to continue to plow through the next couple of years, should the markets continue to be challenging in North America, if they can continue to carry out their business plan with respect to their exploration and development or enhancement of the resource that they own, I think you'll find that investing in the companies at these prices could reward you very well.
What is it that you look for in terms of the type of company that you're wanting to invest in?
Great question. And gone are the days where you could pick a company based on maybe the resource that they're mining or just the area of the world that they've got property in, and just go with that investment and over time be rewarded. We've gotten back to a place where the investment fundamentals and how you look at those companies, their balance sheets, what they're doing with their cash, how their management team is managing the company. These things are again, very important in the current stock market. So my clients and we look for companies with a very healthy cash balance, where they're able to carry on their business plan through the balance of this year and into 2014. We look for management team. Who are they? Have they participated in successful ventures before? Are they experts in their field? Another thing we definitely look at is the share structure, which can be a little bit daunting sometimes for the investor to look at. So we help them out with that. How many shares are outstanding. We like to know who is participating, if we're able to get that information. Do you have big investment firms or funds that are participating in this project because they like what they see and this is a great opportunity? So you get hints as to how successful the community might believe something will be by looking at that. So I think those are certainly three of a few very important criteria that we look at, and there are great companies in this market that have those attributes.
Now, what would you say would be a good way to make sure that that message gets out to people like yourself? How can we make sure that we're able to garner the attention that these companies are wanting to gain, so that they can prove to be successful?
Right. Wow, it's a great question. I mean, being an investment advisor these days involves a few full-time jobs. One of them is servicing your clients, educating your clients, and helping them achieve their investment goals. Another very important part of the job, of course, is investment selection.
Right.
finding opportunities to present to your clients, finding that great idea for that great client you think of as soon as you see it. And with the market conditions changing so quickly, I certainly wouldn't be able to do that without the help of consultants. And consulting groups like Frontier Consulting can help a junior company that has an investment package they'd like to bring to the Canadian stock market in the investment community by helping them package their strengths and marketing them to the investment advisor community through relationships that they have with individuals like myself.
Thank you very much, Mark, for joining us. It's been a pleasure chatting with you.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, no, it's been great. Thank you. And thank you for watching The Sentiment. We look forward to having you join us again. And please stay tuned. The Sentiment is brought to you by Frontier Merchant Corporation.